Hey guys, what's up? It's Randy and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanna show you guys these Neewer SL12 LED lights. This just showed up from Amazon, so I wanna show you guys what came in the box. Grab yourself a coffee, let's get to it. All right, so let's get into this thing. So first things first, I will say props to Neewer for making this almost exclusively out of cardboard. There's like barely any plastic in this whole thing, except for this Ziploc bag, and that's about it. And we've got some gels, some instructions, some more instructions, and the actual package itself. And then we've got a diffuser, a tungsten gel, and a daylight gel. And of course, we also have these colored gels as well. And decent little package holding this light. In the back compartment here, we've got a USB cable. This is for powering the device and charging it. And in the front pocket, we've got the light itself. Okay, so what exactly are these? Basically a pocket-sized LED battery-powered fixture. So it's got 12 fixtures on there, a little snap-on diffuser, comes with some gels for different colors. Basically, you can use them anywhere. You can light a scene, you can stick them to the top of your camera if you're doing vlogging style stuff. You can put them under cars for some mood lighting. You can put them up on your shelves, which is actually the exact reason why I got these. And that right there is exactly why I wanted this. It's just a practical light in the shot, just to add a little color, a little splash of excitement. Now these are basically knockoffs of the Aputure AL-MX lights, which I wanted one of those, but they're a little too expensive. I think they're about $150 Canadian, so about 110 US. It's a little bit more than I wanted to spend. These Neewer lights, these are $39 Canadian, I believe. So that's about $30 US. And they also come with a lot of cool gels. So to have these little battery powered things, I'm pretty stoked about them. You know, you add some color to the shot. I can put this one up there too. I don't know if you can see that one. No, it's out of frame, but it's just some nice color, just adds a little, there we go. So on the side here, we have the 5-volt USB power, plus or minus brightness, a power on and off, and this blue indicator light. And now I gotta be honest, I don't really know why there's an indicator light because as far as I'm concerned, if the light's on, that's enough of an indication for me, but it does go red when it's charging, and then the red turns off once it's done charging. So I guess it is kind of useful. The real question with these is whether or not the battery is gonna hold up. So it does have the 5-volt DC power that you can plug in. And I don't know if you can actually run these off a battery. If you can, that'd be really cool because you can use like an external power bank or you can plug in like a USB cable and run them for days. I'm interested to see if this is just for charging or if you can actually power the device off this. But the real question, the real kicker here is how long is this gonna last? So apparently the battery inside is a 1700 milliamp hour lithium battery. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is charge these both to full. I'm gonna run one at the power level 10 and one at level 1 and just compare to see how long these are actually gonna work. Because I think the one holdup with this is that the battery will die a lot faster than whatever Aputure is using. I think, you know, when you buy something that's $39, the battery's not gonna have an incredible lifespan, whereas the Aputure one, you can expect that would get a lot more life out of it. But I'm anxious to see how long I can blast this thing, because it actually is, if I crank it up to level 10, it actually is pretty darn bright. Like this, I mean, I've got a lot of light in here right now, but it's pretty good. So I'm anxious to see. Let's put these guys to the test. All right guys, just a little update on the time lapse here. So you can see it's still running behind me. I started it at like 2 p.m. and it's now after 9. And I'd really like to use my phone again. And I looked online and apparently if you have it on the lowest setting, it can run for like 24 hours plus. So needless to say, I'm super impressed, but I'm gonna stop the time lapse here. Just know we've gotten like 6 hours, 7 hours out of it now, and it's still going strong. So huge thumbs up from me. Not bad for a $40 light, I gotta say. I'm definitely stoked to have 2 of these though for my videos. It's gonna add a nice little touch, so That's it for this video. If you guys found this at all entertaining or useful in any way, please feel free to leave a like or drop a comment. Love seeing what you guys are up to. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.